Hello, people. So, today is Monday, the first day of the week. I changed the first day from Sunday to Monday just to incorporate all the things that, क्योंकि everything happens from Monday. So, today is the first day. I woke up around 7:30. मतलब उठना था 6 बजे बट लेट हो गया क्योंकि अलार्म मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया. आई एम डेफ और समथिंग आई डोंट नो. पापा जब तक जगाया नहीं आई डिड नॉट वेकअप. पूरा उठे, आधा घंटा जगे, फिर सो गए. देन आई स्लेप्ट फॉर लाइक 3 hours, लाइक 8 to 11 आई वॉज जस्ट स्लीपिंग. इतने गहरे नींद में, लाइक ऐसा लग रहा था कि रात में नहीं सोया वैसा. बट आई स्लेप्ट 7 hours एट नाइट and 3 hours in the morning, so total 10 hours I slept today and yesterday. तो उठने के बाद I did random stuff like roaming around, listening to music. I did not study. फिर कुछ काम आ गया तो बाहर जाना पड़ा, तो बाहर गए, बाहर जाके आए तो 5 बज गया. उस समय से भी टाइम था पढ़ने का, बट द inertia of not studying for me is so high that I am not even motivated to open my book. I literally tried to see lecture but I slept in the morning. So पता नहीं, आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन इट. अभी तो ड्रॉपर का ईयर स्टार्ट हुआ है और मेरा हालत ऐसा है. इन 12th आई वॉज सो गुड कि पहला 1 महीना आई स्टडीड सो वेल दैट इफ़ आई हैव स्टडीड लाइक दैट फॉर अ ईयर अभी एम्स हो जाता. बट इस साल ड्रॉपर का ईयर ही इतना गंदा शुरू हुआ है. लाइक 1 week वेंट ऑन, कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ 6 घंटे पढ़े थे, 6.5 घंटे. और आज इस वीक का पहला दिन है एंड आई डिड नॉट स्टडी अ सिंगल सेकेंड. तो देखते हैं कल क्या होता है. एंड आई डोंट नो, आई एम फीलिंग बिट डिफरेंट, नॉट हैप्पी, समथिंग अजीब सा, बट इट्स फाइन. So today my level is still 1 and my score XP is -30. I did the things, meditation and all, exercise, walking, but it got below 0 because I did not study and also I did not follow some of the routines. So it's today -30 and from now I have to get up from negative to positive. So I'm feeling bad for myself. The day was blue, so that I will define my day as blue day. It is a coded color I'm using. So blue day means Aishwarya signing off. Bye bye and good night. Hello people. So today is Tuesday, or today I got up around 7:30 or 8 और उठे. I did the morning routine जो जो करना होता है, which I have given you. So today also I did not study और मेरे को guilt भी नहीं है. I am just being, what should I say, मतलब today I have to study but I did not study. So कल से I will study. Procrastination at the max peak level. मतलब आई नो मेरे साथ ऐसा था बट आई डिड नॉट नो आई एम दिस मच, व्हाट डू यू कॉल दैट, मतलब इतने, मतलब फालतू होंगे कि इवन आफ्टर रिकॉर्डिंग आई विल नॉट स्टडी. दिस इज़ मी हु इज़ नॉट स्टडिंग आफ्टर रिकॉर्डिंग. तो टुडे वाज अ ग्रीन डे, दैट मीन्स एवरीथिंग वाज ओके. And I am thinking to move out from my house. I am shifting to another place for studies. So some few days are going to be mess, and that's all for today. Me Shaurya signing off. Bye bye and good night. And now I will count the XP system which I did. Bye. Hello people. So it is too late at night और आज है Wednesday. सॉरी, मतलब 12 बज गया बट इट्स वेंसडे. सो हाउ वॉज माई डे? टुडे वॉज द लाइक वर्स्ट इमोशनल ब्रेक डाउन आई एवर फेल्ट. मतलब पूरे बचपन से अभी तक द मोस्ट स्ट्रेस डे. वो भी खुद से स्ट्रेस्ड हो गया मतलब. बट नाउ आई एम I don't know. Now I am fine. I am doing well. I just cope up with it. I talked with my parents, my friends, and now I'm feeling better. So from tomorrow, I will definitely study. I will not try to study. I will study. So this is my final video, my final day on which I did not study. From tomorrow, I will study whatever happen. कुछ भी हो जाए, सोए नहीं, कुछ भी हो. From tomorrow, I will study. At least start from 1 hour, but I will study. Everything is so confusing. I was confused about recorded and live, but now I am taken a strong decision, ठोस decision that I will do from recorded. I just have to complete the first 80%. The last 20% will be completed. First, the target is to crack NEET. अच्छे एम्स में जाना तो है, but first to crack NEET. And the second confusion, to stay at home or go outside. So I finally decided to stay at home क्योंकि बाहर जाने पे health issues will do many things with me. So also बाहर जाने पे there are many tensions, but here I am good. And so this is the last day. I am not studying. From tomorrow 22nd May my study starts. And also sorry for the last 2-3 videos. I was not speaking properly on camera. I was just stressed and tensed, but now I am feeling so normal, like a human. So that how to describe my day, that today was green day, coded color, which I don't want to reveal, but you will know. So today was a green day, and the night was so good. I feel relaxed after talking to my loved ones. So I will recommend people to talk to others if you feel low. But today was my lowest day, but yet I am now happy and I am enjoying my life. And so, good night and bye bye. After many days, I am this much normal. Sorry for the last emotional, sad videos, but it's okay, fine. Good night. Hello, people. So, today is Thursday, and I did study today. I woke up late. I did nothing other than study, but the amount of time I studied is just just 30 to 45 minutes. मतलब दिन भर I just मतलब I have started to grow in the term of academics. Today I studied 45 minutes. Tomorrow I will increase the timing. With time I will increase it and go up to 8 to 10 hours, which is like a dream for me. But I did not do anything other than that. Like I have to do workout and other things, meditation. I did not do that, but study I started, and yet I am happy. But yet I wasted my day. I slept, scrolled. Yep, I downloaded Instagram today. I don't know why I was feeling bored, but I deleted after scrolling for half an hour or more than that. But I think I am feeling okay now. No more stressed or something. But it's okay. From tomorrow I'll study, and no more dependent on others. I have to become self-dependent. So it is very hard to start studying alone with recorded lectures. If I have taken ये कहाँ बोलते हैं ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स वो आसान होता, बट with recorded it's too inertia. But still I'm trying, and I will do it from recorded definitely. I'm preparing for the test of NEET Prep, which is on 15 June. So I have completed just 2 chapters जो lectures है जो I told yesterday also, I guess. So that's all for today. Me Sai Shaurya signing off. Bye bye and good night. Hello, people. So today is Friday, and I am back with my new journal. So how was my day? Journal or documentary, जो भी बोलो, basically yapping journal. So basically I woke up around 8 or 7:45, and the whole means सुबह का समय I did meditation and workout. Where I also took cold shower. My mood is good. That's why the day was green, if you know what that means. And then I slept. I did not study in the morning nor in the noon, but I studied at the evening. In the evening, in the evening होता है ना, grammar mistake. In the evening, और कितना देर आज पढ़े, तो कल से दो गुना. Like yesterday I studied 45 minutes. I studied today 90 minutes. I studied chemistry, just lectures. So I am just beginning. So I think I just did a development progression, so I am proud of myself. So today XP, I think it will be good, maybe it would be positive, let's see. Now I'm going to do journal and other thing. Journal and other thing. Okay, bye. Good night. Me Shaurya signing off. Bye bye. Hello people, so today is Saturday और आज आई वोक अप अराउंड कितने बजे, आज जल्दी उठ गए, मतलब रोज़ से 7:15 और समथिंग. तो सुबह में उठे, आई वॉज इन फुल जोश कल रात से कि पढ़ना है. सो आई स्टार्टेड स्टडिंग आफ्टर डूइंग वर्कआउट्स एंड वही सुबह का मील, मतलब जो भी पीना रहता है वो सब करके आई स्टार्टेड स्टडिंग. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे अभी हो रहा है 10 एंड आई एंडेड माई स्टडी. So the total hours I studied is 5 hours and 30 minutes. It's good for me. It's better from yesterday, from every time. मतलब एक दिन छोड़ के, but it's good. So I have to maintain this only. थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ेगा. It's good. But the things I did is not good. I did not make any questions. So I'm going to add some XP thing in questions so I can level up with that also. Or as definitely it will be positive XP because I did every work in the chart and I really did everything. First time in whole journey I did everything, each and every work. So the day went like this. I went to play cricket and also some out things, and that's all for today I think. And the day was, I think, green and yellow in between both. मतलब अच्छा भी था और बैलेंस भी. सो नाउ यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ दोज कलर्स. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. बैट भी लगाए थे. आई डिड नॉट टोल्ड yesterday, did not tell yesterday, गलत इंग्लिश I know, but it's okay. Me Shaurya signing off. Bye bye and good night. Hello people, so today is Sunday, the last day of the week, and I'm recording this video in the evening. So background music अगर आ रहा हो तो sorry for that. And also the camera, the phone is different. So अगर हम चमक रहे हो या लग रहा हो filter है, so that's the camera, not my older camera. So how my day went? So I woke up around 7 or 7:30. उठे तो आज घर में पूजा था. So we did पूजा और उसे में 12 बज गया. और फिर so I did other exercise, workout and meditation, uh, and everything is good. I studied for around 3 hours 30 minutes. Jo I have to study more, but I will study in at night, like after 8 or 7. So अभी हो रहा है 6:30 and I'm going to edit the video and going to upload at 9 or 8. Let's see कब upload होता है. So that's all for today. My day was green, was good, and I am looking good. Okay, bye. Good night and good evening. Bye bye.